Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 3, chapter number 6, Statistics. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more examples from practice set 5.1. Question number 5. A frequency distribution of funds collected by 120 workers in a company for the drought affected people are given in the following table. Find the mean of the funds by step deviation method. So this is the third method, step deviation method. So this is very important question. Try to understand. Now here the frequency distribution table is given. Fund in rupees, number of workers 0 to 500, 500 to 1000, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000 and 2000 to 2500. And here the number of workers, that is frequency, is given 35, 28, 32, 15, 10. Okay, and in all there are 120, so n is equal to 120. Okay, now try to understand solution. Prepare your table. Now this is a step deviation method, so try to understand this. Okay, class fund in rupees, that is x, class mark xi. Then what it is, step method, ui is there and ui is equal to xi minus a upon h, where a is assuming, xi you know, that is class mark, and h is equal to difference between upper limit and lower limit. Okay, so here 0, I am not 5 is about upper limit, 500 is upper limit, difference between them is 500, and therefore h is equal to 500. Okay, now then write down your classes, prepare your table, write down your classes first. 0, 500, 500, 1000, 1000, 1500, 1500, 2000, 2000 and 2000, 2500. Then find x mark, x class mark, so that is xi, center bit of what this class. So 0 plus 500 is equal to 500 upon 2, that is 250. Then this is 750, 1250, 1750 and 2250. So all these are what, class mark. Okay, then assume mean from what, this class mark. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So I assume my mean 1250. So assume mean a is equal to 1250 and h is equal to 500. Okay, and now then find ui. So ui is equal to xi minus a upon h, that is 250 minus 1250 upon 500. If you simplify this, you will get minus 2. Then 750 minus 1250 upon 500 gives you minus 1. Then this is equal to 0. Then 1750 minus 1250 upon 500 gives you 1. So this is positive and this is 2. Okay, then write down fi, that is frequencies. So 35, 28, 32, 15, 10, and then find FIUI. So FIUI is equal to this into this, that is equal to minus 70. This into this is equal to minus 28. This into this is equal to 0. 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Add all these. Okay. So here negative is what greater. So this plus this is greater than this, and therefore your FIUI is negative 63. Okay. Now then, first you find U bar. U bar is equal to sigma FIUI upon N, that is equal to minus 63 upon 120 and is equal to minus 0.525. Okay. And then use formula mean is equal to, that is x bar is equal to A plus U bar into H. This is a formula for step deviation method. So substitute values 1250 minus 0.525 into 500, and if you simplify this you will get 987.5, and therefore the mean of the funds is rupees 987.5. Okay. Then next question, question number 6. The following table gives the information of frequency distribution of weekly wages of 150 workers of a company. Find the mean of the weekly wages by step deviation method. Okay. Now here the frequency distribution table is given. Weekly wages in rupees and number of workers: 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000 and 4000 to 5000, and number of workers, that is frequency 25, 45, 50, 30. Okay. Try to understand solution. Now first you prepare your table. So first classes, weekly wages in rupees, that is X, class mark Xi, then UI is equal to Xi minus A upon H, frequency Fi, and here you find FIUI. Okay. FIUI. Okay. Now then classes: 1000, 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000. Find class mark center point of this. So 1000 plus 1000 plus 2000 is equal to 3000, and 3000 divided by 2 is equal to 1500. And now this 2500, 3500 and 4500. Then find UI, Xi minus A upon H. But first you assume mean. Now here observations are 4. So from this you select your assume mean. So I select assume mean as 3500. You can select any. Okay. If you select any now, you will get same answer. Okay. Then find UI. UI is equal to Xi minus A upon H. So 1500 minus 3500 upon 1000 gives you minus 2. 2500 minus 3500 upon 1000 is equal to 1, minus 1. Then 3500 minus 3500 is equal to 0, so this is 0. And 4500 minus 3500 upon 1000 is equal to positive 1. Okay, here write down frequency Fi and find FIUI. So FIUI is equal to 25 into minus 50 gives you minus 2 is equal to minus 50. 45 into minus 1 is equal to minus 41, minus 45. This is 0 and this is 30. Now here this sum is large than this, and therefore your FIUI is negative minus 65. Okay, and then find U bar. U bar is equal to sigma FIUI upon N, so minus 65 upon 150 is equal to minus 13 upon 30 and is equal to minus 0.43333. So here denominator is 3 now, and therefore you won't get what division perfect or what complete division. Okay, now therefore x bar, that is mean, is equal to, formula is this for step division method, a plus means assume mean plus u bar into h, substitute values 3500 minus 0.43333 dot dot into 1000, so is equal to 3500 minus 433.33, and if you subtract this you will get 3066.67. So approximately it is 3067 or round figure 3070, and therefore the mean of weekly wages of 150 workers is 3066.67 or 3067 or 3070 rupees. Okay, then try to understand some new topic, that is median. Median is also a central tendency. Mean is also central tendency. Median is also central tendency. It is a different method for ungrouped data. Now this you have learned in 9th standard. So try to understand this. Okay. For ungrouped data, if groups are not there, then how you find median? So it is very easy thing. This point you remember. If number of observations, that is n, means number of observation n means what, total frequency, are odd, then after arranging data in ascending or descending order, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So in what ungrouped data the observations are what, very limited, and so that you can use this method. Okay, but in group data observations are very large, number of frequencies are very large, and therefore it is difficult to arrange that data in ascending and descending order. Okay, so for ungrouped data this method is ideal. Okay, now so this you remember, when observation, number of observation n are what, odd, then use this method. So this is equal to what, first you arrange the data in ascending or descending order and then find this term, which term, n plus 1 upon 2 term, that term is your median. And if number of observations n are even, Then after arranging data in ascending order and descending order or descending order, median is equal to, now in this case there are two terms are what at the center, and therefore find these two terms and find the mean of that gives you median. So that is n upon 2, n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. If you add these two and find the mean by dividing 2, you will get median. Okay. Now for group data, I will explain you in the next lecture. So please try to understand all these things. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.